Welcome to Cochrane, Ontario, Canada, where today we will be exploring an old home from the early 1900s. This historical house holds countless hidden stories just waiting to be unveiled. As we step inside, we are transported back in time, surrounded by the charm of a bygone era. The creaking wooden floors and the vintage furnishings tell a tale of a simpler time when life moved at a slower pace. As we wander through the rooms, we can't help but imagine the laughter and joy that once filled these walls. Perhaps the children played in the parlor, while the adults gathered around the fireplace, sharing stories on a cold winter's night. Every corner of this old home holds its own secrets. Look closely at the walls, and you may find faded wallpaper, revealing the tastes and preferences of the past occupants. Peer into the dusty attic, and you may stumble upon forgotten treasures, an echo of a time long gone. Discovering the fascinating history of this home is like piecing together a puzzle. Who were the people that lived here? What were their dreams, their aspirations? Each item found in this house offers a glimpse into their lives, a window into their world. Walking through the hallway, we can almost hear whispers from the past. The memories and stories of this home have been preserved for future generations to cherish and learn from. So, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and richness of history in this old home. It stands as a testament to the resilience and spirit of the people who once called it their own. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed exploring this old home, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories from the past.